So guys, this is the famous sneaker room of DJ Bigboy Cheng, and you can see there are a bunch of sneakers over here. It's definitely a sneakerhead's paradise. Honestly speaking, I'm not into Air Jordan 11s, but this sample pair, I really hope I could cop one someday. So, if ever I'm going to cop a rare Air Jordan 3, it will be this one. It's the Air Jordan 3 Soul. It's a limited edition pair that came out exclusively in South Korea. So, Seth, how's the tour so far?
It's insane. Like I never it's. Fuck. Holy shit. I knew it was gonna be crazy, but not this crazy. Not this crazy.
It's that insane.
It really is.
This pair you see over here, that's a rare pair. It's a DJAM Dunks. This one is an upcoming pair. It's called the Fear of God Raid. Inspired by the Air Raid, basically, because of the cross straps. A pair that I wish I would cop one day would be this one. This is the original Pigeon Dunks. And aside from them, I also hope that I could cop this one. This is the Paris SB Dunks, and the resale value on this is really high. So, if you're into toys, you should check out Bigboy Cheng's house because there's a lot of them.
Yep. Collectibles.
Things that are made of dreams. So, how's the tour so far?
It's amazing. It's great.
Are you enjoying it, Seth?
This is great. This is like the coolest together. I can't believe that I'm just.